Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to just discuss some SBs that have recently been hitting your skate shops. Want to make sure you guys go and check yours. Got two in this video I'm going to be discussing, and that's really going to be it. Just discussing some SBs. You can go check your local shop, see if they got them, and that'll really be it. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. This is the type of stuff we do every single day. I'm always trying to post like shorts or YouTube poll or videos, so just stay tuned here on the channel for that. And of course, drop a like. We're trying to like 200 likes on this video. That is the normal goal. Nothing out of the ordinary, so I hope you all will enjoy this video, but that is pretty much everything I need to mention. And don't forget to check out HYPELABS down below, my friend and I's group. If you want to start cooking with us, getting our undermarket sneaker deals, you can see some of the screen we've done recently. Undermarket fuchsias, neck face SB, active fuchsia. Well, yeah, I just said that, but there's been lots of different SBs. We did weed SBs and fog SBs at retail, and of course there's other things, online loops for cash, tons of things you can take advantage of in our group. So if you want to do that, learn how to make the most from yourself with consignment, any of that, you can join down below on our website, get in that wait list, and you'll get a response within 24 hours. So I hope you all will enjoy. See you guys there, and let's get started with discussing some SBs that are probably at your local shops. So check it out. All right, so it's a little bit cold, so put on a little sweater for the video. But what we got going on here with this first pair, this is the Dunk High Sweet Tooth, or also known as the Dunk High Candy Corn. I posted something about my Instagram, or on my Instagram yesterday, so if you want to go check that out, drop a like, feel free. But just a little kind of Halloween themed Dunk High, and I thought it was cool. Just dropped yesterday on the 14th at most shops. Here are some of the unique details I can show to you guys up close. So first things first, as you guys can see, the overall colorway of the sneaker representing candy corn, hence why we got this whole gradient theme going on. Same on both the shoes. Just thought it was cool. I picked them up for the personal collection. You guys can see your boy has been wearing these around a little bit. I mean, they're brand new, so I mean, there's not going to be a lot of mark or damage on them, which is kind of a good thing because I like these as they are right now. But they don't seem like they'd be the type of dunk, to crease super easily. Also, you also got these teeth marks, as you guys can see, representing how candy corn is normally hard and not very easy to eat, especially if you leave it out for a bit. That's something I thought I would mention, but of course, already showed y'all this up close, that unique tongue tag. Pretty cool. Thought that was nice. Also on the inside, we got some details right here. Going to show this to you guys. Really only need one of the pairs for this, but here is the inside warning. It says, do not take candy from strangers, and you guys can see that kind of logo that we have right there on the inside, showing the candy corn stuck in the tooth. Notorious for breaking teeth, kind of being one that's a little bit harder to eat. So that's what we got with this Dunk High right here, the candy corns. Thought it was just a cool pair, something a little bit different for the collection, and one you can probably go scoop for retail at your shop. Goes for a little bit over retail price, but again, most these will probably start dropping in price over the next couple days, just because it's one that it's cool. But again, as there is more pairs out right now, the price will decrease temporarily, and then of course over time I expect these to age well. Kind of reminds me of like this isn't a collaboration, but it does remind me of like the strawberry coughs a little bit, pineapple SB Dunk High ones that are a little bit more out there, and that's something I can appreciate about this. It does have unique details on it, as you guys can see, with that. Of course, the insole as well. I haven't shown y'all this, and I definitely need to. You guys can see the whole insole is candy corn. That's what we got. So y'all can see candy corn there, candy corn on this one, and I got my personal size 9 right here. Not trying to damage these. Hopefully I didn't damage them. Okay, yeah, but just got them yesterday. Little cool personal pair. We do have these, so check your local shops if you're interested. They do flip in big sizes, so if you want to make a little flip in big sizes, then you can do that. But again, I just thought these would be cool to have. So candy corn SB Dunk High just comes in the regular like purple box, nothing crazy, but there we go. Little cool collaboration, Halloween themed. That's what we got. But aside from my personal pair right there, another one that you can also go check your local shops for. There's two I want to mention. So first would be the Fog SB, right? And then the second one, I could have picked up a pair of Fogs also, but I just, I wasn't, trying to go too crazy while I was there. But this is the Wheat SB Dunlow. As you guys can see, you can check your local shops for these as well. Hitting most, I think they already did like a week or two ago, but most probably still have a couple pairs. And don't forget, they're gonna have shipments, landing for a little bit. They probably ordered a few of these. Like, there's a good amount of Fogs and Wheats that are just sitting in shops. So something I thought I would mention to you guys, if you want to go get a pair of these, feel free to check your local shop for them. And again, it's nice. Again, this used to be a more expensive pair, right? But that was, again, a couple, years after the release. These are just kind of decreased right now because, again, there's tons of them out there. Nice little gum bottom that we got on these. And again, there's the overall wheat kind of suede theme that we got around this whole sneaker. It'd be a dope pair to skate, I will say. This would be sick to skate. These, I don't know. I don't know about these, but this is just like kind of a, more out there, kind of wild, personal one that I got. But these, I think this would be something sick. I mean, maybe a little bit harder to rock. I understand it because, it's wheat. It's not like, something like, for some people, it'd be very easy to style. My people that love cargos, kind of longer pants, like, yeah, or well, pants are long anyways. That was dumb as anything. But just my people that, are more or less fans of pants and all that more than shorts, this would probably be an easier option to go with. But also just for anybody that likes an everyday sneaker, I feel like these would be really, really good. But because these everyday, I don't know about that. But this everyday, I mean, yeah, this is just a simple one color throughout the whole sneaker. Nice suede. Looks like it would age really well over time. And yeah, that's just something I thought I would mention. So feel free to check your local shops for the Weed SBs and Fog SBs. Make sure you check your shops because most of them probably have their pairs in, and you can go cop them if you want to wear them, flip them, whatever you're interested in doing. And of course, these did drop yesterday, so check your shops for these as well. This is the Sweet Tooth SB Dunk High or the Candy Corn SB. I just walked in, I looked around a little bit. I was like, hey guys, you got these? And they're like, yeah, just right on the wall. So that's something that was cool to pick up. Just a little first come, first serve pair. And yeah, really nice one also. I mean, it definitely is a little bit out there. I see why some people are like, yeah, I'm not rocking with these at all. But I mean, I just like them because, I'm all for a crazy dunk high. And this is exactly what we got going on with this pair. It's definitely more out there. I will leave it at that. But I think it will age really, really well because, again, I don't see them on sneakers, any place like that. So I think with, kind of not knowing how many pairs there really are of them, which I don't think there's too many, yeah, then I think this will be a really good one to just kind of keep and hold on to. So we'll kind of see what happens there with those. But again, dunk highs usually don't age very well. It's more or less better long term, but like at first, I mean, these are going to be at retail or probably a little bit above for a while. So that's everything I thought I'd mention. Check your local shops, Weed SBs, Fog SBs, and also the Sweet Tooth SB Dunk Highs. So that is what I can mention to you guys. Just a little unboxing today. Just wanted to make sure you guys know that. I put out a short on it, but wanted to show y'all, hey, just go check because I actually got some pickups and you can get them too if you have a skate shop near you. But if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to like 200 likes on this video. And don't forget, check out my Friend Ask group down below. Some of the undermarket deals we've done recently, consignment tips, again, to show you how to make the most from your sales. You can check it out on our Instagram, and then of course go to our website, join the waitlist, and we will get you in within 24 hours if you want to start cooking with us. There's so many things offered, free Amazon items, food codes, again, like we have early notifications and a lot of stuff to let you know when stuff's going to be landing, so you're in the loop and gonna have information in advance, but also online loops for cash and other things like that that can save you money, even exclusive brick flip calls to show you how to flip sneakers that sit. So that's a lot easier to do than copping all the hyped releases. So that's everything I'll mention, and let me know what you guys are thinking. And let me know in the comments, did you go scoop any of these pairs, the Weeds, the Fogs, the SB Highs, any of these recently? Let me know, and that'll be all I have to mention to you today to you guys. So I'm Tristan, thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video coming on, should be on Tuesday. So I'll see you all Tuesday. We got the Fogs and sneakers soon, so stay tuned. Fog SB's there, and a couple other ones should load up. We got the Chris Paul lows, should be a good flip. I'll catch y'all on the next one though. Peace.